Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, the wait is finally over. DJI has officially confirmed the Osmo Pocket 4, and it's shaping up to be one of the most advanced pocket-sized cameras the world has ever seen. If you thought the Pocket series couldn't get any better, think again. This new generation brings a massive jump in sensor technology, AI intelligence, stabilization power, and creator-focused features that will completely redefine portable filmmaking. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the complete breakdown of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, its official upgrades, design changes, new camera innovations, pricing expectations, and what makes it one of the most exciting camera releases of the year. DJI's Pocket series has always targeted creators, vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who want a fully stabilized camera that fits in the palm of their hand. But with the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI isn't just upgrading specs. They're upgrading the whole concept of a pocket camera. This time, the device brings a bigger sensor, improved low-light imaging, new AI tracking tools, faster processing, and a redesigned gimbal system. DJI has clearly listened to the community. More color depth, more dynamic range, more control, and way more reliability. And yes, the Osmo Pocket 4 is officially confirmed by DJI with teaser visuals, updated product posts, and certification leaks, meaning the launch is now closer than ever. At first glance, the Osmo Pocket 4 continues the iconic vertical design we all recognize, but with noticeable refinements. A larger and brighter 2-inch display with slimmer bezels, a refreshed button layout for faster switching between photo, video, and pro modes, a stronger, smoother 3-axis mechanical gimbal, a slightly wider grip for better handling, improved cooling vents for long recording sessions, a more durable hinge and motor design. DJI wants creators to shoot longer, more comfortably, and with better control over advanced settings right from the screen without needing a phone all the time. Now let's talk about what everyone has been waiting for: the camera system. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 comes with a massive new sensor, significantly larger than its predecessor. This brings better low-light performance, cleaner details even at night, improved HDR video, more natural skin tones, higher dynamic range. Early confirmations suggest a 1-inch class sensor, which is a huge jump for such a tiny device. This instantly gives the Pocket 4 an edge over most smartphone cameras, and even some compact cameras. With this sensor upgrade, the Osmo Pocket 4 becomes a mini cinema device, perfect for travel filmmakers, YouTubers, daily vloggers, and professional creators needing stabilized B-roll. DJI pushes the limits again with new recording formats. Expected and now confirmed core features include 4K recording up to 1/2 fps, 6K recording for ultra-detailed shots, improved color science with D-Logim and 10-bit color depth, better stabilization with the upgraded gimbal motors, ActiviTrack 7.0 for next-level subject tracking. What does this mean? Slow motion clips look buttery smooth. Cinematic videos have richer contrast. Movement feels fluid even when running, biking, or shooting handheld in busy environments. DJI is also boosting its processing engine, reducing noise, sharpening details, and improving image clarity across all resolutions. With the Osmo Pocket 4, AI plays a bigger role than ever. Here's what DJI is officially incorporating: ActiviTrack 7 with face recognition, advanced subject prediction algorithms, auto composition for perfect framing, AI-driven low-light optimization, intelligent exposure control, faster, smarter object tracking, even with fast motion, gesture controls for hands-free shooting. Whether you're vlogging, shooting sports, capturing kids, or tracking pets, the Osmo Pocket 4 intelligently keeps your subject centered and stable. Sound quality is crucial for creators, and DJI knows this. The Pocket 4 includes a new quad microphone array, improved noise reduction, better wind filtering, higher bitrate audio capture, more reliable DJI mic to wireless integration. For outdoor vloggers, this alone is a game changer. DJI's accessory ecosystem is also expanding. Magnetic wide-angle lens, ND filter set, tripod base, expansion module, wireless video transmitter, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module built-in, faster USB-C with live streaming support. Connectivity has been massively improved. You can now stream, transfer footage, and control the camera faster and more smoothly. The Osmo Pocket 4 packs a bigger battery that offers longer continuous shooting times, faster charging, better heat management for extended 4K and 6K recording. Creators can now film for hours without worrying about overheating or constant recharging. While DJI hasn't publicly revealed the final price yet, the industry expects it around $499 to $599 United States dollars, depending on the package. Multiple certification listings and DJI promotional hints confirm that the Pocket 4 is now officially in the launch pipeline, making it one of the most anticipated releases in the creator world. So that's everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, officially confirmed and officially exciting. With its upgraded sensor, 6K video, advanced AI tools, improved gimbal design, and creator-focused features, this might just be the most powerful pocket camera ever made. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates, camera reviews,